Good day, friends. Let's talk about something juicy, refreshing, and downright magical: cantaloupe. Now, I know what you're thinking, it's just a melon, right? Oh, but this humble fruit is a superhero in disguise. Packed with nutrients and bursting with flavor. Cantaloupe isn't just a summer picnic staple, it's a secret weapon for your health. Let's dive into why this sweet, orange gem deserves a standing ovation. And a permanent spot in your fridge. 1. Hydration hero: beat the heat. And protect your kidneys. Picture this, it's a sweltering summer day. And you're craving something cool. Enter cantaloupe. Made up of 90% water, it's nature's answer to dehydration. But here's the kicker: it's not just water. Cantaloupe delivers a powerhouse of electrolytes, like potassium, which keep your muscles functioning smoothly and your nerves firing on all cylinders. Staying hydrated isn't just about quenching thirst, it's vital for kidney health too. Proper hydration helps flush out toxins, reducing the risk of kidney stones. So next time you're sweating buckets, skip the sugary sports drink. And grab a slice of cantaloupe instead. 2. Vision and skin savior: hello, vitamin A. Ever heard the old saying, eat your carrots for good eyesight? Well, cantaloupe gives carrots a run for their money. Loaded with beta-carotene, which your body converts to vitamin A. This melon helps protect your peepers. Vitamin A fights age-related vision decline and keeps your retinas sharp. But wait, there's more. Beta-carotene is also a skin-loving antioxidant. It shields your skin from sun damage and boosts collagen production, keeping you glowing like a summer sunset. Pair it with vitamin C, which cantaloupe also has in spades. And you've got a dynamic duo fighting wrinkles and dryness. 3. Heart health's best friend: potassium power. Let's talk about your ticker. Cantaloupe is rich in potassium, a mineral that's like a soothing balm for your blood vessels. Potassium helps relax tension in your arteries, lowering blood pressure and reducing strain on your heart. Combine that with the fiber in cantaloupe, which scrubs cholesterol from your bloodstream, and antioxidants that fight inflammation, and you've got a triple threat against heart disease. Who knew something so sweet could be so heart smart? 4. Immunity booster: vitamin C to the rescue. Move over, oranges. A single cup of cantaloupe delivers over 100% of your daily vitamin C needs. This immune-boosting vitamin isn't just for fighting colds, it's a warrior against free radicals. Those pesky molecules that accelerate aging and disease. Vitamin C also helps your body absorb iron from plant-based foods, making it a friend to vegetarians and vegans. So, if you want to armor up your immune system, grab a bowl of cantaloupe. And let vitamin C work its magic. 5. Digestive delight: fiber water. Happy gut: we've all felt that sluggish, bloated feeling after a heavy meal. Cantaloupe to the rescue. Its fiber content, about 2 grams per cup, teams up with all that water to keep your digestive system humming. Fiber adds bulk to stool, preventing constipation, while water keeps things moving smoothly. Plus, a healthy gut means a stronger immune system. And even better mood regulation, because who isn't happier when their stomach feels good? A sweet finale: let's eat. So, how can you make cantaloupe your new BFF? Toss it into salads with mint and feta, blend it into smoothies, or enjoy it plain with a squeeze of lime. Pro tip: pick a melon that feels heavy for its size and smells sweet at the stem. That's peak ripeness. In a world of fad diets and pricey superfoods, cantaloupe is a delicious, affordable, and science-backed way to invest in your health. It's proof that sometimes, the best medicine grows on a vine. So, the next time you're at the grocery store, give that cantaloupe a wink and say, let's do this. Your body and your taste buds will thank you. Here's to your health, one juicy bite at a time.